Hello and welcome. I'm Tara with Pink Power Cleaning. We're thrilled that you've taken the first step towards being part of our Pink Power family. Before we get a chance to meet face to face, we've created this video series to give you a deeper insight into who we are and what we stand for. Throughout the series, you'll discover the core values that drive us every day, what sets us apart in our industry, and of course, a detailed look into the role you've applied for and the hours associated with it. We believe that an informed candidate is an empowered one, and we hope that you resonate with all of our core values and find that this job fits perfectly with your priorities. By the end of this series, our hope is that you'll not only understand the role and our company better, but also visualize how you can be part of our growth story and contribute to our shared goals. I do have a small challenge for you. At the end of each video, there will be a question on the screen. Make sure that you save your answers to all the questions so that once you've watched the entire series, you could text us your answers. It's a fun way for us to ensure that the message that we have resonates and that for you, you're engaging in the content. So without further ado, let's dive in. Welcome to Pink Power's journey and potentially the beginning of yours with us.